The Story of Trains, a series about people and trains.
Oh, seriously excited where we're going today. Where are we going today?
We're back on Metro.
Oh, yeah! We have to get to the Amtrak platform.
What happened next? Did we ever go on the VRB platform? Now we'll find out right now in the story of train. Meanwhile, I'm Misty.
I am Train the Melon, and I present to all of you The Story of Trains. Get there. Train by me, out the along with ding dong and roll, come, let's go. Washington Metro, the King Street Alexandria Part 2.
Made it.
This is the last call for
Indeed
Amtrak
we
Northeast
have.
Regional
After
Train
struggling in Part 1,
125 en
we
route to
finally made
Newport
to the
News
very and
with
Amtrak
intermediate
platform
stops.
of King Street Old Town
Business class
Station.
and Klein car are located at the rear end of the train. Passengers should proceed to track 3. Please remove any travel documents from their envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. All baggage assistance will be provided train side. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Time for this. Time for this.
Attention please. This is the last call for
By the time we got to the platform, Amtrak Cardinal Train number 125 was there, on its way to New York.
Business class and Klein car located at the rear end of the train. Passengers should proceed to track 3. Please remove any travel documents from their envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. All baggage assistance will be provided train side. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
En route to Newport News with intermediate stop. And 125, please gather your things at trackside. You are going down to the Bravo.
Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on, Nate. Train's slipping. Okay, hey, let's go to the other side. Look, let's cross when the next train comes. Crossing the railroad tracks. Cool. Good. Now we can rail fan here better. The Amtrak train's here, and it's early. Wait, where's the next name? Train. Now we're glad it's spring break name. We can take the opportunity to grill fan lots of VRE trains and some diesel powered Amtrak trains.
And I hope the chance of spotting the ALC 42s.
It was expecting the F40.
Looks like the conductors are done boarding. Time for this train to go.
Bye-bye.
On aboard!
Cool hat too.
I should have bought my Amtrak hat. Shut up. Huh? What train number is this again? Well, there's 125.
Amtrak train 125 give two toot on the horn.
Not even no train.
It was time to go.
Bye.
By arriving. Go.
Oh! Looks like some rail fan got the train to blow its horn. Thanks watch as the fine shore.
Despite the train moving, the tank didn't bark at it. Just stared at it. Kind of odd for Tank, because he usually barked at every moving train.
You know, this girl's face.
Wow, the train station. Oh, so this is the rest of the train station.
Here, people can rest, wait for the trains.
And get the tickets. It's always busy at train stations.
The inside of the station was reminding me of Baltimore Penn Station and Washington Union Station.
Train, be a train!
Ah, come on! How do we not hear that coming? Yeah.
It was the station announcement that told us the VIA train was pulling in.
Oh, the VIA train! Can't believe we didn't see that coming.
Then the station started warning us about the next VIA train arriving.
Please stand on the yellow line and allow passengers to detrain before boarding.
Oh,
Thanks for riding the VRE.
Then we heard a horn in the distance.
yes, here comes the next train. Oh, yeah. Hit the... He's gonna bark.
Sure enough, Tank did bark into the horn.
Well, I want to blow its horn, but too late. Hey, move down, move down.
I'll move down, Nang. Okay.
This is the VRE train to Bedford when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is new. Step back. Door closed.
So what the next stop? Why are you holding it like this?
The VRE train blew its horn, saying it was time to go.
The train started with a jerk.
The VRE train pulls away. Tank didn't bark at him. At least I think he did. The southbound VIA train, but the northbound VIA train still here.
Hey, why is this train still here? That's better. Why is the VIA train still here? There's no one in the cab.
Not because they're operating the locomotive in the cab car.
Then the diesel engine started to roar.
There goes a Blue Line train, 7000 series. Blue Line train at Contour Conneaut Franklin. It's next stop in Durham Street, and then out there is Franklin Street.
Yeah, it's good to Ralph in here.
Yeah. Wait. When that kid say that freight train gonna pass by?
Last you told me, 10 minutes or 3? Or, no, 20?
Huh? These railroad tracks are made of iron and steel. The railroad tracks are what trains run on.
Yeah. What the?
Wait a minute. Something bothered me.
What, son?
Would you rather say railroad track or train track?
Or railway track.
Which one
Do you think we should say? Railway track, railroad track, or train track?
it doesn't matter which way you say it. Railroad track, train track, railway track, whatever.
Then we heard a horn in the distance.
Ooh, I hear it come. Oh, here come Nick. Oh boy, here come the next train. It blew its horn as it approached. Nice horn, VRE. Do it again. The Amtrak next.
As the VRE train arrives, Tank barked at him.
a commuter train of excellence. This is the VRE train to Manassas when born. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is, I have no idea. Anyway, the next stop is, I have no idea. I'm still learning. It gives me time. Did that, Name? Look, Name. When you're like me, you have to read, watch certain train information videos to learn more. It takes time.
The railway train pulls away. And Tank! Well, you get it.
Oh, now Tank knows it's the departing train. Hey, look at those. There's a train approaching. I can see that. It's the freight train.
A long Series X freight train approaches. It blew its horn as it approached.
Hey, Metro blew its horn. There it goes.
As the freight train passed by, Tank went all nuts on it, barking at the train passed by.
Freight train coming through.
Oh, it's about time. You come see it. That was a long train.
May your attention, please. Arriving next on track number 2 to the Shark Crossing Station, the Amtrak train 138. En route to New York between stops. 138, please gather your things to the track side. An Amtrak worker will be there over the train.
Oh, good idea.
Once again, arriving next on track number 2 to the Shark Crossing Station. The Amtrak
Oh,
train
wait up, Name. We're brothers.
138, stop.
Oh, wait up, Name. We're brothers. We're stick together. Oh. Now that's how you cross the track safely. Look back and forth. Special cars. Cool.
Call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train
138.
en route to New York Penn Station. Business class and quiet car are located at the rear end of the train. Passengers should proceed to track 2. Please have your electronic tickets or phone applications open and available for scan.
Here comes the Amtrak train. 138 to New York.
For unattended baggage, please notify Amtrak police.
There's a
The
horn.
Amtrak train blew its horn as it approached.
47311. Please notate.
Here comes the train.
There it is.
The first one should be coming soon.
Here's Metro. Here, okay, here it's here in North Debris, no 138. This is look at that! Whoa! Ho, 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 ho. Wow, Metro! Awesome!
Forever! Metro wrote one of their 7,000 series.
That's awesome!
Say, I wonder why truck wouldn't not use much. Yeah, I guess we should go back to Metro. We gotta get ready for tomorrow to take Sunny and them into DC.
Hey, we gotta get back.
After this train leaves, right?
I'm stopping there. Okay, now it's talking to people.
Hey, I see the Metro operator to his horn. Maybe the Amtrak train can respond.
Yep. Yeah.
It didn't work. Well, I tried. Well,
Holy cow!
Wow! Whoa, baby! Special cars. Wait. On aboard!
Then I noticed a sticker on an ampli
Hey, look
car.
at that! Look at that sticker on this ampli car.
I want to DC.
That's cool, Amtrak. Impressive. Or whoever stamped it on them. Toodaloo! Oh, look at tank pulling. Pull. Me action. Wait, Fredericksburg, BRE train. Look, that's right. BRE train coming in. What? Oh well. Sword. Name. Okay. Wow.
Please be advised, checked baggage is available for your train.
Bye, Amtrak. Ivia.
Wait.
We gotta go.
Department.
We gotta go. We have got to go.
Check up to 2 pieces
And
of
that way's
luggage
leading us to
outfit
Metro.
pound
Yeah. Come on, name.
And now we're on our way back to
Back to there. At the.
Hi! Hey, off the tracks! Jeez, people these days.
They're not right. Come on, trains, back to the Metro.
Okay,
That's
back
right.
to the train
That's
station.
right. There.
That's the train, like that one.
Yeah. Come on, everyone, back to the Metro.
Debo.
Wow, look at the very platform now. We rail fed there, now we're back here. Awesome, right?
I agree, son. Same here. Again, same here. Same here, name. Good decision. You mean what Alexandria Station looks like? Name, stop here. The next yellow line train comes in 5 minutes. Make that 4.
It's nice to take a break from rail fanning the Amtrak train on the Northeast Corridor.
Yeah, and rail fanning some diesel-powered Amtrak trains. Too bad we haven't spotted them ALC 482s yet.
Don't worry, we're gonna come back here or go to Lafayette Plaza to catch some LC-42s while we're on spring break.
Yeah. Right now, we should get ready. Yellow line train coming in 2 minutes. Alexandria.
Speaking of trains, it's the Metro train! Devil!
Oh, wait. Oh, look. Oh. Hey, Tank, heads up, Tank. Here comes the train.
Hey, can I get
To his horn now? Now they're on safety platform. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Outside! Wait a minute, did you hear that? Was that the Amtrak train?
Was that Amtrak?
It was! Look!
171! Oh, yeah! It's 171!
That's 171.
Hello, Tank. We're all alone in this rail car, all by ourselves. Metro! We're back! In style! Before we arrive at Potomac Avenue, Trine Tunnel approaching, folks!
The train speed into the tunnel.
I said train tunnel approaching.
We were in the tunnel for a minute, speeding past rows of lights on the tunnel right. The right side of the tunnel.
I can see the lights at the end of the tunnel. Whoa! Oh boy, Potomac Yard Station. One of Metro's less used stations?
Despite it being almost a year old, but still, to lots of people, sweaty, print, new. That and the Silver Line.
Yeah, at least you and me will make Metro ridership go up.
Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
Yes, operator Shirley, in a hurry.
We approach the airport and we make a station stop. After the station stop, we head towards an underground tunnel. We're about to go back underground.
And now, train tunnel. Train tunnel approaching. Next stop, Crystal City. boarding.
Please move to the center of the car.
The light flashes when the door closes. It should be right about now. The light's clear.
The doors did not close yet. We were holding at the stage for a while. After a while, the doors finally closed.
Step back, doors closing.
That took longer than usual.
Yeah, that took longer. That was,
Rare.
why the heck are we going so slow? Look, here comes the tunnel exit. Probably the freight train the Amtrak conductor told us that we'll pass through.
We slowly exited the tunnel. And head towards the bridge. Sure enough, the freight train was passing through.
It's the freight train the conductor, the Amtrak conductor told us about. There it is!
Wow, what a long train. Ooh, hold on. What's happening?
Entering back into Washington, D.C.
Train? Exciting! Speaking of train, there's another metro train passing us. Passing through here. Okay, cow.
Why the heck are we going so slow?
No idea.
And that's the end of my run.
Freight train. Huh. Now I'm on too soon. Now I'm on too soon, Name. Run! Run in the punching.
We speed into
It's
the
the
tunnel.
Purple Plaza! Activate the team, Purple Plaza next! The real tracker to the orange line!
Oh, right. No, Sibs. If you want to spot some LCP2s, we should go back to Ralph Fetting at Union Station.
Hi there!
Well, you can see some diesel and Amtrak electric locomotives all there.
That is true.
Yeah. Oh, we need to go slow.
A connection is available to the Virginia Railway Express. Connection is available to the Virginia Railway Express.
Here we are. Hey, we're here. Next stop, Lafayette Plaza Station. Connection is available to the green and yellow, to the orange, silver, and blue lines on the lower level. The orange line, which we are connected to. Right, Sibs?
Right.
Right. Let's hit it. On my train. Check. Oh, thanks in a hurry.
Step back to allow
Thanks.
For the ride! Let's want this train apart. We got one more time.
But
Tank wanna bark at this train so bad. Oh, Tank wanna bark so bad.
Tank gonna run the few times the train to speed away into the tunnel and door halfway
To the orange line. Building fireboxes.
don't you say Rusty Rail Spike when you catchphrase?
Oh yeah, I meant Rusty Rail Spikes.
You're telling me, Nate? Look how busy it is. Honk, honk.
Wow! It's the cherry blossom.
The special cherry blossom Rap 6 Dot Series train pulls away. The train for this blue line to Franklin and Springfield later takes sparks out of the Pine train going towards Largo.
That's where we're going. Hey!
Whoa, it's busy today. Look at it, lots of
A
fish.
7000 series online train arrives as a 3000 series blue line train.
I love busy, man. Oh, look, 3000 series. We're spotting these while we can.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, operator.
Where they go? They got me tired quickly.
Well, hopefully there are some 2000 series still around.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's some 2000 series still on the rails.
Are there? I don't know.
Can you spell busy?
Hang on, I have this news.
At the blue line train leaves, Tang barked at it. He did a little bit to stop her. But pretty much just let Tang bark anyway. Good job, man.
Busy, busy, and more busy. That's what you'll find at L'Enfant Plaza.
May I have your attention, please, customers? A new Metro Transit Police initiative is in effect, bringing increased police presence to your trip. During your commute, you may notice Metro Transit Police and special police officers walking through the train. If you spot an officer, reach out.
So are these here?
Your safety is important.
What? On! Light flashing. Light flashing. I think that's a 7,000 series. I love 7,000 series. I like that. I love hearing them announcements.
An approaching train blew its horn.
Bonk, bonk. Hi.
Look! It is a 7,000 series.
Yay!
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 series. Okay, the 7000s are our favorite Metro rail cars now. They're so modern and new. Almost like the 7000s are going to be 10 years old this year. Well, they're already 10 years old.
This is an orange line train to New Carrollton. When move to the center of the car. Next stop is Federal Center Southwest. Step back. Doors closing.
Stay there, mommy.
Minnesota Avenue.
Oh, summer things stuck in the pants.
Doors closing.
You got it. Good boy.
Later, outside the tunnel,
Separating from the blue and orange, blue and silver line.
we say goodbye to the blue and silver line.
Let's go and choose.
Nice.
Okay, let's go and choose smoke.
Hey, ain't it obvious? So are blue. We have been here. Since Sonny lived in the hotel near Lagos, the closest thing we done is easily not on Lagos, like no argue.
We soar over the highway and reach the CSX railroad tracks again, with the freight train still there. And arrive at Minnesota.
This is Minnesota Avenue.
There is happening.
Minnesota Avenue next stop.
Doors opening on the left. Doors opening. This is an Orange Line train to New Carrollton.
It's a
When
speaker.
boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Deanwood.
That's the last stop in the
Step
nation's
back.
capital.
Doors closing.
Before we cross the border back into Maryland.
We traveled on, a train raced past us, and we're soon joined back with Amtrak Northeast Corridor.
Thank, we're not by ourselves.
Doors opening on the right.
Go! Get the toy!
Doors opening.
Oh, you got a car full.
New Carrollton. When boarding, move to the
Oh,
center of
this
the car.
puppy. It wasn't
Next
something
stop
I done.
is Landover.
Ain't got nothing to do. I just
Doors closing.
No, next thing.
Okay, Lando.
Doors opening. This is an Orange Line train to New
I'm
Carrollton.
hungry.
When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next and last stop is
New Carrollton.
Next and last stop, New Carrollton.
Step back. doors open.
In the German last call, the Google online train. That means my the guy from the watching train, the prime metro rail.
Next thing. Did you kill the last call for the online train?
Customer, make sure you grab a from the line, grip your way to the train, the prime metro rail.
As we get closer, the 7000 series train stopped, saying the last stop and connection.
This is New Carrollton, last stop. Connection is available to Amtrak and Smart Commuter Rail.
It runs every day
Yeah.
and on weekends. Next and last stop, New Carrollton Station.
Doors opening on the left.
Well, can you Hey, is that the
Works train.
didn't make a pass?
Doors open.
Guys, make sure you got everything.
Yep. Look. Look at the rail yard. Over there.
Well, and give it to Richard. Stay tuned tomorrow. Come here.
How'd you know? We can watch the Amtrak train from here. Or not.
Why are we still here?
An Amtrak train's coming.
An electric one, you mean? Yes.
No more trains coming?
There was no train. I was about to give up.
Oh,
Then I looked
you.
behind me. There was the Amtrak train with sandwich set.
Hey, look!
Look! Sandwich sets! Look them over on each end! Look! 662!
Whoa! That's one of the new concepts Amtrak told us about. It's a good view from the metro platform. And here's the MARC train.
A MARC commuter train pulls into the station
But we
on
gotta
its way
go.
to Washington.
Station! Station! Are you deaf? Are you waking up yourself a train pulling in?
See you on tomorrow's episode.
Bye, guys!
Then two, there four, there's six or eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play around timber sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends. Thomas,
He's a cheeky one.
James,
His fame but lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a mail on time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.
Toby, well let's say he's square. They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and
Rush.
green and